Good afternoon. My name is Marcos Toledo of the Rotating Tire, and welcome to the blog. As we spoke about, I own a 1999 996, which I purchased from my neighbor. He's had it for many years, but it also didn't drive for about 3 years. So there's a lot of little things wrong with the car that slowly getting up to par with. The car does drive. I drive it around. I enjoy it, but there's little things that really bother me. In this video, we're gonna see about a key. I looked into the Porsche dealership, and the key goes anywhere between $200 and $300. I only have one key. It's just one Porsche key with one button. So the dealership, with programming and all that, they want between $200 and $300. So I figured I'd do a little modification to the key to solve the key situation. I've done this even in the past. I used to own a rental car dealership, and when you have people losing keys, you can always revert to this. I'll show you how to do it. So I went to my local locksmith in the area. This is the same guy I've dealt with for several years, and I purchased one. This is like a just a key to get into the car and to turn on the ignition, but it won't turn on the car. It does not have a chip in it. In order to turn this car on, this car has a little pill or a little chip embedded within the fob. So I went ahead, and for $30 I had him cut me this key. Now, part number on this key is HU66A. It will show up as an Audi key, not a Porsche key, but you can work with it. So what I went ahead is, he went ahead, cut it for me. I made sure that it does open the doors, that it does give ignition, and then just to make sure it works, I went ahead and I put the original key that has the r.i.f pill in it close to it, and I turned the ignition on. Vehicle turned on, all's well. I am going to show you how to take out that pill from the transponder, place it inconspicuously close enough to the ignition of the vehicle where you can use your new cut key to turn on your car. So let's get started with this, and let me show you how to take that pill out of your transponder. Make sure you do not break it or lose it. Alright, so here we have both keys. We have the original one button Porsche key, and we have the cut key. Now, first thing we're going to do is, this key has nothing in it, so we're going to put this aside. We're going to work with this key. First thing we got to do is take it apart. You can do it with your finger or with the help of a screwdriver. Just go around the edges, and there we go. Battery, controller, and if you notice here, see if you can get close, right here you have, this is the chip, what we want to take out of here so we can put in a inconspicuous place. So let's go ahead and pry this out very carefully. Doesn't need a lot of help. Okay, and do not squeeze this too hard. There you go. And here we go. This is basically your $200 to $300 key. In reality, it's the programming of this, so you can use it. I'm gonna place this in a inconspicuous spot, and I'll show you where I'm gonna do that right now. And then we'll put it in the car and go ahead and turn on the car with the second key. We're going to place it right here with double-sided tape. So here's this. Here's the pill. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut a little bit of double-sided tape. You can pick up this tape just about anywhere. Got a little piece here. Want to get the pill, and you're going to place it right here, just like that. You're going to take the back of this, and this sits in the car just like this, and you want the pill to go somewhere along this spot right around here. That will put it close enough to the key cylinder where the key, when it turns, when you turn it, it'll go ahead and let you start the car. So let's go ahead and put that right here. Now please put enough where you feel comfortable that you will not lose this. If you want to do it with epoxy, put it in there with epoxy, or you can put the tape and later on go ahead and put some super glue or epoxy around the corners of the tape so it doesn't go anywhere. Now let's go ahead and put it on the car and give it a try. Alright, so I went ahead and I reinforced it with surgical tape. So let's put this back. There we go. And we'll try out our non-chip key. And there we go. Car's on. Try it. And it will work every time. For those of you wondering if the original key will still work without the chip in it, locked, unlocked. So you're all good to go. Alright, so we finished up with the key. Now I've got two keys to work with. At $30, I think that is a great hack. I'm hoping you found this video instructional, something that will benefit you, help you out. You know, the money you save with that, you can probably take the wife and kids out or buy another mod for your car. And I hope you if you find this video, this instructional video helpful, and you would like to continue seeing small little things you can do to the car, save you some money, and just get the car up and to your specs, go ahead and like and subscribe, and I will keep bringing you content as I go along. I'm sure you will probably find it beneficial at most times. If not, maybe you can refer to somebody else that might need it. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.